Is Advanced Credit Repair right for you? This review covers its key features, ideal users, and how it can boost your credit. Advanced Credit Repair helps you regain control of your finances by targeting inaccuracies on your credit report, like late payments, charge-offs, collections, and even bankruptcies. They analyze your reports from Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion to catch every potential error. This service is perfect if incorrect reporting has lowered your credit score. If disputing errors yourself has failed or you need expert help with complex credit issues, Advanced Credit Repair has the expertise. They craft customized dispute strategies, not generic templates, targeting specific inaccuracies on your report. They also handle communication with creditors and credit bureaus for you. Beyond fixing errors, they offer resources and personalized advice for long-term credit improvement. They'll guide you on lowering credit utilization and diversifying your credit mix. Advanced Credit Repair provides transparent, regular updates on your disputes and credit score changes. Flexible pricing makes the service accessible. Ready to take control of your credit? Check the links below to start your journey with Advanced Credit Repair today.